In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive sync problems. If your files are stuck on sync pending, or you notice the cloud icon shows an error, don't worry. These quick checks and resets usually get everything back on track. Before we touch the app, make sure your internet connection is stable. OneDrive needs a consistent connection to update your files. Even short drop-offs can pause syncing. If you're on limited bandwidth, give it a minute to settle so the fixes can take effect. First, restart OneDrive from the notification area near the clock. Click the small arrow to reveal hidden icons, then select the OneDrive cloud. Click the settings gear, choose pause syncing, and then select quit OneDrive. Pausing first helps OneDrive finish what it's doing before it closes. Give it a moment. OneDrive typically relaunches on its own. If it doesn't, open it the way you normally do and watch for the cloud icon to return. If sync still seems sluggish, use a quick pause and resume to refresh the connection. Click the cloud icon again, choose pause syncing, pick a short duration, and then resume it. This lightweight reset can clear minor hiccups without fully restarting the app. Next, try unlinking and relinking the account that's connected to this PC. Open the cloud icon, go to the settings gear, open the settings window, and switch to the account tab. Click unlink this PC, then sign in again. This step safely reconnects your device to the service and often resolves lingering authentication or permission issues while keeping your files intact. If you see specific files failing to sync, check their paths. OneDrive has a limit on the total path length, which includes the folder structure plus the file name. Deeply nested folders or very long names can push a file past that limit. Shorten the file name or simplify the folder nesting so the full path is reasonable, and then let OneDrive try again. Finally, make sure you're running the latest version of OneDrive. Updates include bug fixes and reliability improvements that directly affect syncing. After applying the steps above, confirming you're up to date helps prevent the same problem from coming back. That's it. With a solid connection, a clean restart, a quick pause and resume, a fresh account link, sensible file paths, and the latest version, OneDrive should return to healthy syncing. If you found this helpful, follow along next time for more practical fixes.